Mechanical keyboards are all the rage for gaming, but the average person doesn't spend 8 hours a day gaming. Thanks to Cherry's MX Board Silent keyboard, the mechanical keyboard may finally be quiet enough for a whole team to use them in the workplace. Your aching fingers will thank you. I tried out the Cherry MX Board Silent at CES 2017, and it's exactly what it sounds like. A mechanical keyboard that prioritizes noise reduction over everything. Except for efficient German engineering, of course. It's a standard full-size keyboard without any extra buttons, commands, or media controls. Underneath each keycap is one of Cherry's brand new MX Silent switches. Even in very quiet switch types like the Cherry MX Reds and Browns, they still create some sounds as you're physically pressing and releasing a switch. The MX Silent encases each switch in a rubber dome, similar to a membrane keyboard, meaning that users still feel a satisfying mechanical response without the associated noise. The MX Board Silent could make your job much easier, or at least much quieter.